This 2019 F250 just got dropped off from the 401 auction because we just purchased it. Now we got to get it ready for the lot. We're going to do the all new body liner on the chrome, bumpers, grill, emblems, side emblems, door handles, make this truck totally blacked out. We're going to remove that old man's cap on the back of it and put a 2.5 inch rough country leveling kit with some 35 1250 20s, and it's going to look totally awesome.
You said it was ready. You guys gotta go right, go right, go right. Yep, there you go. Keep going right, we gotta go first. Keep going right. Our end goes on first.
How many people we got here? Because I can really help them.
Hey, whoa.
Hey, whoa, whoa. Just a sec. Where are we going?
Down! You donkey pop.
Oh, Lord.
This is up!
In the middle. In the middle. I thought that's where I just took it from.
This is coming from the same guy that for 20 minutes was on a stair climber today. 20 minutes was on a stair climber, and guess what? Ow! Guess what? He got off early. He got off early. You know what he did? He wiped the wrong one down that he was on.
It's not gonna fit.
Watch this bolt in this.
It's not gonna fit.
Yeah, it is.
No,
It's fitting on
gonna
my
mark
side.
the side on that hole.
Put it down.
I'ma get it, you know I be on the way. Yeah. You know I be on the way. Man on a mission, I'ma get it, you know I be on the way. Yeah, it's all hard, ain't no fear here. You ain't giving this at all, you steer clear. Never beat, I've been down and I reappear. You got some money on the line, you better put it here. Rolling in and doing that work. Check priorities, I'm doing that first. Check's big and I'm sure that hurts, but it's checkmate, we ain't selling short, know the work. Passed and a run back, yeah, I'm far ahead and gotta run laps. But we ain't letting up, we never done that. Ain't nowhere to hide.
We've already discussed this 1,000 times with Terry. He does not know flying pot. Hold.
He's a bit of a bull.
I can't be mad at it. My mom said I would be talented. I'm in the gym shooting. Just like I practiced it. But then God Skip let me rap again. Wait. I be on the way. Yeah. I'm on the way.
block people.
It was actually pretty quick. We don't normally get them done that quickly. I would actually say, being that it was outside with a lot more room, the hoists do slow us down.
So we just finished removing all the chrome off the truck. Now we're working on the bumpers. We'll have to strip them completely. Plastics, mounts, fog lights, rubbers, everything front and back. And we'll send them to the body shop to get done.
How many clips are on the top?
A lot.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, there's like 30 of them.
Devin, we shouldn't have done this so quickly.
It won't look like that on video.
Sarah will be expecting this from now on.
20 minutes. Have that truck stripped.
I'm walking around just ripping shit off, and this guy's like, holy fuck!
Are you asking me questions, or?
Do you want me to ask them and then say? Well, I'll just try it. Like, tell me your name and what you do here.
Okay. My name is Adrian Moore. I'm a 310S automotive mechanic, and I do quite a bit of stuff. Mostly work on Fords, but we strip trucks, put them back together, put a lot of painted parts on, and yeah, could be anything from working on a seized engine to working on a backhoe that got sunk in the water. Yeah, all sorts of things. So we should have talked through it first. I didn't realize that Devin was tackling the driver's mirror cap, so I was going to take them off carefully, but he already had the other one ripped off, so it doesn't really matter. It's just we work differently, but we do work well together, so there is that. It's unrealistic to do it that quick without breaking anything.
So we got the cap pulled off our 2019. We pulled her out back to Adrian and Devon's Bay, and Terry said we got to get this thing stripped in 20 minutes. But I think with that one mirror cap being the struggle, we were around 25, but Adrian and Devon got her done. We're going to get these parts over to the body shop to Pete for the all new body liner.